Hola. So here I'm going to show you how I created the template for the worksheet for the supermarket flyer. So basically there's two parts, and this video will cover the first part, which is the background part, okay? So you want to start by going to Slides in Google Slides and creating a new document. And notice that this is always widescreen as a default. The first thing you want to do is change this to a vertical letter size document. And you go to File to do this, and then Page Setup. And you're going to change that format to custom. And here you write 8.5 times 11. Apply, and it changes it, see? And now take this off or anything that's on the default line. And now we have a lovely background to start. So I am going to basically draw using rectangles and shapes all the areas that I need the students to fill in. So I go to rectangle, and I'm going to start with the title, which the students will fill out later, or maybe I will, part of that too. And I'm just going to draw a gray rectangle. I'm going to take off any borders by going right here. This is the color and the border. I'm going to need a second one. So now I'm going to draw my second one right below, and this is going to be for the student's name. I guess I need to click on this again. There we go. And now for this supermarket flyer, what I would like the students to be able to do is to, one, get images and put them in a layout that tells a person what the price, what the product is and what their price is, right? So I'm going to use also squares as the base where students will drag all those supermarket items. So I'm going to start drawing squares. And to make a square, you basically hold Shift, and then you want to fill it with a different color. I'm going to choose azul. So there it is. And I'm also going to take off the border. It looks actually, for me, it looks better. So now I want to basically copy this 3 more times. So I get 4. And notice that you get these blue lines on the bottom. Those are great because they're basically distancing all these squares equally, which looks really nice. And there it is. So I created already this a little bit ahead of time. I'm hoping this will work. There it is. So this is kind of the formatting that I already came up with before, just to speed up this video a little bit. And I'm basically just going to copy this 4 times. And students will have to drag 16 items and write the name in Spanish of 16 products as well. So I'm going to basically go down and do this 1, 2, and 3 times. And you want to make sure that everything fits well in your document. So you space it appropriately. All right, so that looks really good. So now the document is ready. And what I want to do is name this Volante para Supermercado teacher version. That means this is the background. This is the one that students won't be able to touch, okay? And then I want to save this image, which I'm going to place in the second document I create as its background. To do that, I go to File and then to Download. And I'm going to choose PNG. And notice that it gets saved down here. And we are done with this part.